I began by asking, how can I get students to stop doodling and disengaging and pay attention in class to course content? I am hoping to demonstrate that educators, even in college, need to improve their teaching strategies and use of motivational strategies to inspire and spark interest. The specific problem I see is that teachers are confining themselves to work along with the course text and not reaching out to create relevant material to motivate students. I want to encourage educators to break away from the text-generated slide presentations that simply review the reading and explore alternatives to learning through lecture. I will be incorporating more media to engage the class and hopefully increase recall of the material through technology. I will be incorporating examples using animated movies and music into my slide presentation. I researched 4 areas to provide the best overview for my action research project: teacher instruction, motivational strategies, the role of popular culture in education, and video technology. The research into teacher instruction was consistent across all the research I looked at. Schaefer and Richardson summed it up best. Findings related to faculty use of technology have shown that technology is not central to teacher preparation in most colleges of education. The research conducted in motivational strategies focused on learner-centered classrooms and instruction to create experiences for the students that are relative to their own situations in life to build interest and knowledge. Popular culture was a very important aspect of my research because it is the center of motivation for many students. Haywood notes, a somewhat more serious answer is that education is an instrument of the culture. That is, education is a primary means of intergenerational culture transfer. As part of this transfer, video technology seemed to be in the forefront of merging curriculum and popular culture. My research instituted the use of multimedia production as an immersive educational design and curriculum. The literature that I found was very advantageous and cooperative in strengthening my point of view and findings from my own data. I found that while technology may be available, there is a lack of college professors that use it in the classroom. They tend to fall back on traditional methods of instruction. Many colleges do not have a checks and balances program set up to evaluate technology use in the classroom or to encourage colleagues to learn and grow from each other in the resources available. This disregard for expanding their own potential has resulted in a less involved, interested student body. To combat this problem, I shifted my literature review to include current information on motivational strategies. It's not surprising to me that in order to motivate students, even adults, teachers have to model motivation. Part of engaging the student requires the combination of curriculum and popular culture as a foundation for designing course content. Video technology and music are vastly growing, user-generated areas of interest outside of the classroom. Learning to use technology and design multimedia is the fastest way to integrate popular culture and outside interests to make connections and further the excitement that should exist around the right and privilege of a college education.